In Samoan, it's I love to you. O te alofa ya te oi. I like candy. I like to the candy. O te fia fia I lole. O te malamalama ya te oi. O te va'aya I le ta'avale. So why are we saying to in Samoan or adding a preposition? That's because words like love and like are feeling words. To see and understand are non-contact verbs. Actually, all of them are non-contact. So a way to think about it is if there's no contact, then there's got to be a preposition like to or at or something like that. These verbs don't function like contact verbs. Ua o kiki le polo. I have kicked the ball. I wouldn't say ua o kiki I le polo, because that would change the whole context completely and it just means something different. So non-contact Samoan verbs get a preposition. You can download the worksheet and construct your own at talofortalk.com or look for the Talo for Talk app coming May 19th on Google Play and iPhone.